Hello dear students, welcome to other class of biology. The topics for today are DNA, chromosome, traits, gene, incomplete dominance, genotype and phenotype, F1 and F2, and homologous chromosome. DNA. What is DNA? The DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid is a molecule that all organisms have in their body. This molecule has all genetic information of the body in codes. The structure of DNA. Its DNA molecule consists of two chains or bands made up of a large number of chemical compounds called nucleotides. These chains form a kind of twice-lateral called double helix. Each nucleotide is composed of three units: a sugar molecule called deoxyribose, a phosphate group, and one of four nitrogen compounds called adenine, thymine, and cytosine. F1 has two generations. The first generation, which is formed of offspring resulting from a cross between strains of distinct genotypes, and the second generation, which is formed of offspring resulting from cross of the members of F1 generation. Chromosome. Chromosome contain DNA, which is divided into smaller units called genes. These determine the hereditary characteristics of the cell or organism that cells of individuals of a given species usually have a fixed number of chromosomes in plants, and higher animals are present in pairs. Traits. A characteristic or condition that is determined by one's genes. The color of an animal's coat and the shape of a plant's leaf are physical traits. Nesting in birds and burrowing in rodents are examples of behavioral traits. Genes. A gene is a unit of information in locus of deoxyribonucleic acid, DNA, encoding a functional protein, and is the unit of a hereditary molecule, is also known as a nucleotide, sequence in DNA molecule, or in case of some virus. Incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance is a form of intermediate inheritance in which one order for a specific trait is not completely expressed over its pair order. This results in a pure phenotype in which this expressed physical trait is a combination of a dominant and recessive phenotype. Genotype and phenotype. Genotype is the complete heritable identity of somebody or something, and phenotype is the description of the actual physique or of somebody or something. Homologous chromosome are a set of one maternal and one paternal chromosome that pair up with each other inside a cell during meiosis. These copies have the same genes in the same ratio, where they provide points along each chromosome, which enable a pair of chromosomes to align correctly with each other before separating during meiosis. This is the basic for Mendelian inheritance, which characterize inheritance patterns and genetic material from an organism to its offspring. Okay class, we finished the class today.
Created using Powtoon.